beatboxing blueberry.
What's his name?
This is Frankie.
What's with his leg braces?
He, 2 months ago, decided to jump out a window. Wow, that's a very trusting cat.
Yeah, he doesn't always sniff dogs' faces. He only does it to the ones that he feels like the safest around.
He's so chill.
No, 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 no. ¿Ese es tu sentado? No. Oh my God. No. No. Qué bello tú.
High five. Too slow.
You really just...
Hey, let me get a minute. Hey, let me get one too.
Hey, let me hold him.
Yeah, you get that right there. What the dog doing?
One more time. Oh no, I think we got this one. But we're just getting in the groove. No, let's take them wanting more. Yeah, you've grown 400 pounds. Oh my God. Meanwhile, I look exactly the same. Tell them to stop. We sing the science. We started singing it. It's our signature song. We should be sharing it.
Klein, please tell us which one is the expensive beef.
So this is what happened, see, all right? See, I was just driving, and I was coming by this way, and this squad of ducklings came out of nowhere, right? I didn't want to hurt them, so I just stopped over and tried to push them somewhere else, and now they imprinted on me. And now, see, watch this, watch this, watch this, watch this. They just follow me. Like, they think I'm their mom. Dude!
These are my minions. I don't know their names. I don't want to know their names. They are known as Chanel number 2,
Chanel number 3.
Chanel number 5. I'm Chanel number 1, obvi.
Jerry, what are you doing outside? It's drizzling out! Get in the house right now! Jerry, get down from there. It's time to go downstairs! Get out of the popcorn machine. I'm not making popcorn. And you, stop trying to get up there and eat her!
Park.
Show me someone that lives in your house rent-free.
Cyrus, the people want to know. Can we get an a whoop? Thank you.
Lottie, who's your best friend?
Stick 'em up. Bang!
On all levels except physical, I am a wolf.
Quelle surprise la seconde boulangerie du jour réserve-t-elle à notre jury? La...
I've been really trying. Quincy, we are going on a road trip. Woo! Yes, absolutely. Why don't you guys laugh about it?
What? Are you hungry?
Hey, how you doing, love?